Guys, let's see. I unsealed the first box, but here we have the projector, we have the beast, the new 24. It was released at the end of the 2023. It's a 2024 model, let's say, and I'm telling you that this projector will make your day. It's laser, it's made for Xbox, it has 3500 lumens, it's a 4K projector, and I'm very curious of the quality. I didn't test it. And talking about this, we will compare it to the PX748, which you know we review it, and that one was a good projector. It has its cons. After 2 years, you saw the video we just published, 2 years of the Viewsonic PX748, and I was not happy with it. So very short, guys, with that projector we had 3 problems updating the firmware. We have some chromatic aberrations that were very big. I think this is a common problem to the PX748. For those of you who have, send it to the warranty, do not stay. The PX748, it's a lamp-based projector. It has some problems at the lamp, and guys, I want to tell you from the start, a lamp projector has 4000 lux. For example, 748 was having 4000 lux, but from 4000 lux you will have, after 1000 hours of usage, at the lamp projectors, all the lamp projectors, after 1000 hours of usage, you will have a lack of 500, between 500 and 700 minus lux. So for example, about the 748, from 4000 lux you will have, it will remain after 1000 hours of usage, 3300 lux remaining, and it will diminish while the lamp it will consume herself. So besides the chromatic aberrations, and you will have the cons to a lamp projector, it starts very hard. You have to stay 1 minute, it goes to standby also 1 minute for the cooler inside to cool down all the electronics and the lamp before turning completely off. And PX748 had the chromatic aberrations that I didn't like. That the black colors were not black, were brown, like you saw in our review, and I recommend you to watch the full review. Another thing that I didn't like is that Viewsonic told on their website that you can make the firmware by yourself, and you can't make on the 748. This is not nice of Viewsonic saying on the page of that product that you can make your firmware by yourself and you have to send the projector to the service center. This is not very good. Also, guys, it made a flickering of the image that I don't understand at the 4000 hours. I send it 3 times and then I figure out, let's upgrade it, I don't want it anymore. I get in touch with the Viewsonic and I ask them to send us a product, and the Viewsonic Romania, thanks that that review have 28,000 views or 30,000 something, and they asked me for a link before to see the views, but at all the projectors that you see all over the world that are not a lot of views, and Viewsonic, after they saw the views that are not small but are not quite high, they didn't want to send us a projector. A person who knows marketing knows that persons who bought a projector are not that high, are not that many, the persons who bought a projector, because projectors are expensive. Most of the people buy TVs, and projectors are for people who have money to spend to have large displays.